Hi everyone! Ready to protect your assets and save on taxes? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to start a New Mexico LLC from scratch. New Mexico is incredibly business-friendly, but the steps can be confusing. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll dive into the specific tax and privacy benefits that make New Mexico so unique. Next, I'll walk you through the actual filing process using a registered agent to keep your home address private. Then we'll secure your EIN so you can actually start doing business. Finally, I'll break down the real, ongoing costs and compliance rules so you never have to worry about fines or losing your company. Whether you're a local freelancer or an international entrepreneur, this is your guide. So, let's dive right into it. Now, first, let's go over why I would choose New Mexico for your LLC in the first place. First, it is the best option if you live in New Mexico yourself. But besides that, there are also some solid business benefits that make New Mexico attractive for LLC formation for anyone, including non-U.S. residents. First, New Mexico offers a business-friendly environment with low fees and straightforward filing requirements. The state filing fee is only $50, making it one of the more affordable states for LLC formation. That's significantly cheaper than states like California or New York, which charge hundreds of dollars. It has no state income tax for individuals or corporations, and zero tax at the business level. Before we jump into the formation process, let's quickly go over what an LLC, or limited liability company, is. An LLC combines the flexibility and tax benefits of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. Basically, it creates a separate legal entity for your business, which means your personal assets are protected from business debts and legal issues. It's one of the most popular business structures for a good reason. Now, here's something that trips up a lot of people. You need a registered agent for your New Mexico LLC. A registered agent is basically your official representative in the state. They receive legal documents and government notices. They must have a physical address inside New Mexico and be available during business hours by New Mexico law. Now, let's say, hypothetically, you used your own home address or a friend's address as the registered agent. That information would be put on the public record. Anyone could look up your LLC and see your personal address and information. Plus, if you're not available when important legal documents arrive, you could miss critical deadlines. That is why I always recommend using a professional registered agent service. It protects your privacy, ensures you never miss important documents, and keeps you compliant with the state requirements. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Northwest Registered Agent. I've used them personally. They're reliable, reasonably priced, and keep you compliant with state requirements. To follow along, you can click on the link in the description. This will bring you over to Northwest. Here, click on Let's Get You Started. Okay, from here, first we can see what type of business you would like to start. For us, we're going to select LLC, not a corporation or nonprofit. Right here, you will see the filing fee as well. As you can see, it is 2-day processing, which is fast for a $52 state filing fee. The filing fee for Northwest is just $39. Without the discount, this total would be much higher, so you're saving a nice bit of money. From here, we click on Continue. Now we can complete the actual information for our business. First is the name of our business. In this state, it needs to be unique and end with LLC. For this video, I'm going to use Test LLC. For the second question, send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney, I'm going to select No. For most people, this won't be relevant. Then we have a business purpose. You can fill in what you're doing, for example, selling on Amazon, running a local store, or anything like that. But for the sake of simplicity and to still stay compliant, you can also select Use Generic Business Purpose. That is what I use all the time, and it is totally fine. Then there's the address, the physical address you want on record with the state, and the mailing address also on record with the state. For both, you want to select the registered agent address of Northwest. From here, we can go to Management, which is where we can complete the management of our company. For most single-owner LLCs, you want to select Member Managed and not Manager Managed. Here, you can then fill in your first and last name. We then have an option in New Mexico to list with the state or to omit from the state. If you want maximum privacy, you can select Omit. However, I would personally recommend selecting List with the state. Then we have the contact information. Don't worry about the information here. This is not going to be put on any public records. Next, we have some additional options, like business identity. I would simply not do this. It's not free. It's a trial. The next option, optional items, is something you absolutely need, the tax ID, also called the EIN, or Employer Identification Number. You need this to open a business bank account, file your taxes, and basically do anything official with your LLC. You absolutely need this option. I would highly recommend letting Northwest handle it for you. If you're a citizen, it's $50. If you're a non-resident, it's going to be $200. The other options are not necessary. Then we can go over to the next page where you can complete the payment and see the total pricing. Including an EIN number, it is only $141, which is one of the cheapest in the United States. Talking about pricing, let me show the full breakdown of the initial formation and ongoing annual costs. As shown before, the New Mexico state filing fee is $52, the Northwest filing fee is $39, and the EIN service, if you are a resident, is $50. So the total is just $141 to get your LLC up. What is unique for New Mexico is that it has no annual report fees or state taxes you need to pay. One of the most compelling reasons to choose New Mexico for your LLC is the incredible cost efficiency. Unlike the vast majority of U.S. states, there are zero annual fees payable to the state government. Your only recurring expense is the $125 annual fee for Northwest registered agent to maintain your legal compliance after the first year, making this setup one of the cheapest in America. The formation process is remarkably fast. You can typically expect your LLC to be active within just 1 to 2 business days. If you opt for Northwest to handle your EIN application, allow 1 to 2 weeks for processing. Upon approval, you receive immediate access to a secure dashboard housing your critical documents, the articles of organization, your designated New Mexico business address, your EIN for banking, and your official LLC branding. Taxation is where New Mexico truly shines. As a pass-through entity, the business itself pays no taxes. More importantly, if you have no physical presence, meaning you are a non-resident, have no employees in the state, and do not sell goods locally, you are exempt from New Mexico state income tax. While U.S. residents remain responsible for federal taxes, this structure avoids the double taxation seen elsewhere. Finally, ongoing maintenance is virtually non-existent. While other states demand complex annual reports accompanied by expensive filing fees, New Mexico requires absolutely no annual reporting. This freedom from bureaucratic red tape, combined with a low $50 startup fee and the privacy of a professional registered agent, makes New Mexico the ultimate low-maintenance solution for modern entrepreneurs. So, that's it for this video. Thanks.